If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Apple World here. So it is currently iPhone launch day. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Apple Watch Series 4 and my iPhone XS. So I'm hyped. Let's do this. So as you guys can see, I don't know why my iPhone, I have to go and pick it up at 8, between 8 and 8:30, and then my Apple Watch got actually shipped. That is disgusting. Just kidding. So I don't really know if there's going to be a lot of hype with this iPhone XS. I don't really know the lines. Last year, I don't know if you guys have seen that vlog with the iPhone X. Links are down below if you guys want to check it out. The hype was crazy. It was a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and see this year. All I know is I'm excited. This year, I'm actually more excited for the Apple Watch instead of the iPhone. That's simply the first time that has ever happened. But anyways, let's go ahead and see the hype with the iPhone freaking XS. So we have freaking arrived at the one and only, it's my home. It's the home. It is the Apple Store. You guys can see right there. The line is okay. It was way much worse than the iPhone X. Let's go ahead and see the line. So those are the people who actually waited in line. Look, there's people with emojis. That's super cool. I think Apple gives us that. That's super cool. I think that's the line of the people who actually didn't pre-order. So yeah, I actually pre-ordered, of course, so I think we will be waiting in that line. He just gave me an ad emoji. Isn't that cool? Kind of. I'm currently first in line now, so I think I should be getting my iPhone in a matter of minutes. We're going in, guys. So many rumors, so many leaks, and it has come to this moment right now to go ahead and get the iPhone.
Oye, por favor. Hola, buenos días. Por aquí, por favor.
There they are. That gold looks beautiful.
Buenos días, bienvenidos. Hola.
Disfrutando
muchísimo, un placer.
Gracias.
Vale, pues nada.
So my first thoughts on the Max, I haven't actually seen the Apple Watches. I think I'm gonna look at them. I wanted to be surprised, but I don't think I can resist. So far, the iPhone XS Max, in my opinion, it's way too big, but of course, if you like big phones, it's a great phone. And I think, of course, I'm gonna stick with the iPhone XS, just the normal one. I feel like it's the perfect size, it's comfortable, it's beautiful, and I really love the gold color. Anyways, I want to stop looking at them because, of course, I want the unboxing experience to be a little bit special. So let's go ahead and stop, and let's go ahead and see the Apple Watch Series 4. They're pretty round. They look really round. Digital crown looks nice. It looks way much better than last year's version. I like it. I really like the gold. I'm actually really happy I got the gold. I was debating between this one, just the silver aluminum, or the gold, and I simply don't regret it at all. I'm actually getting this one right here, 44 millimeter. The sizes don't really look that different, but it's great. It's great stuff. All right, so we currently just left the Apple Store. Pao, thank you very much for filming.
You're welcome.
It was great. It was great. So yeah, right now we're gonna go ahead and eat breakfast because I am so hungry. It is currently 9 o'clock. We woke up at like 7. Crazy stuff, but of course, it's what you do when you're an Apple fanboy. He's actually not an Apple fanboy, which kind of annoys me, but it's okay. So right now, I'm actually just waiting for the Apple Watch Series 4 and the iPhone XS to arrive to my house. I have the XS Max, we have it in the backpack, but I guess we just have to wait for UPS to actually deliver it. Yeah, it's kind of annoying why Apple did this. I promise I didn't actually tap on the thing being delivered to my house. So I guess we'll have to wait. But unboxing today. And there's going to be unboxings in the channel. 2 videos. Hype. Alright, so we're finally home. Now is the time that we're gonna go ahead and unbox. And the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XS. Actually, as soon as it came up, the mailman was already there. And the Apple Watch Series 4. Of course, that's for another video. And these 2 guys are, of course... Where's my knife? There we go. This is the actual iPhone XS. So, oh man, what a beauty. What a beauty. So anyways, this is the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. I won't actually be unboxing it in this video, so if you guys want to go ahead and actually see me unboxing this, just hit this button right here. I'll wait. I seriously will. Just click on it. Just click on it. My gosh, why are you being so slow?